What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday Stock Watch List, where I talk about all the stocks that I do like, all the setups that I like, all the setups that I don't like, all the economic events going on, all the earnings that are going on. Even though we're kind of coming to an end, we're not so much. We do have a few earnings going on this week, but last week was pretty intense, and the week before, also with the whole Russia thing, a lot of things have been going on. The Fed, there's a lot to talk about. So before we go ahead and start this video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, what other stocks do you guys want to see on this watch list, and make sure you subscribe and hit that alert, because I do upload a lot of helpful videos like live trading videos that all these gurus do not upload. That is the easiest way to learn, when you see it live. Anybody could come on and say, hey, I made 32,000 today, let me show you how I got in here and then I got out there. Anybody can do that with anything in life. I show you as I get in and signal to my chat, and as I get out. So that's that for you. So let's go ahead and start this economic calendar. Talk about a few things here. FOMC minutes are on Wednesday at 2 p.m. That's the first thing that catches my eye. You have PPI final demand at 8:30. That's before market open. I just want to see. Okay, so we have James Bullard speaking Thursday. We have jobless claims Thursday. We have Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index at 8:30. That's actually important. Loretta Mester speaks. I guess we'll pay attention to that. John Williams. I don't see Fed Powell. That's usually in all red, but Mr. Powell. Charles Evans speaks on Friday at 10:15. I'll probably be done with the trading day by then. John Williams, 11 a.m. I was done by like 10 a.m. on Friday, which was 2 days ago. Made 37,000. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted some videos on there about that. It was a pretty intense day. So let's go to the calendar for earnings. Yeah, look at this. I mean, these aren't my types of stocks, but let me see if I'll notice anything that I would play. I mean, Roblox, Upstart, I'll look at. Airbnb is something that's popular that I would look at. Shopify. The Trade Desk is popular. Crocs is popular. Nvidia is popular. Wix used to be popular. We'll see how that goes this earnings. Cisco, DoorDash. Look at all these earnings, man. Fastly, Roku, Walmart, Fever, Sandstorm, Dropbox, Shake Shack, DraftKings on Friday. Yeah, there's a lot. A lot of these little stocks. Obviously these aren't Apple's, Tesla's, or Amazon's or anything like that, but it's gonna be intense. So let's go ahead and start this video, and we'll start going over the setup. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is Tesla. We can go ahead over here. So I could even show you on the bigger time frame. We'll start on the bigger time frame and then work ourselves smaller here. So you guys saw that uptrend on the 1 year, right? See that on the 3 year. Now if I work myself down to the 4 hour, you guys can see we're in this channel, right? We've hit the top a few times, we tried to break out, it just didn't work. This consolidation failed. Now we're coming back. Now it is going to be very interesting if we hold 800. If we start slipping under 800, 792, this stock is back into the 600s, and that's coming from someone that's a fan of Tesla. So this is going to be very important to watch here. Even on the 1 hour, this looks pretty intense. So this is something to pay attention to. We have that 4 hour channel that we got going on, and that 3 year trend that's right there on Tesla. Let's go back to the 3 years so you guys can see how it looks. So this is pretty intense. We're riding that. If we break through, it's going to get a lot uglier than what it is already. So Amazon. Now let's go to the 1 year, because I remember earnings. So we do have a crazy gap here from 3,010 all the way down to 2885 because of earnings. Now if we start slipping, market's ugly, and we start filling this gap, this is going to be a smooth break and a smooth fill, right? A lot of stocks take a few days, a few weeks to fill. This gap could be filled in 2 days for Amazon. That's like a $200 gap here. Nah, less than that. It's like 125 or something like that. So that's a gap that'll easily be filled on Amazon if sentiment continues to be bearish, things continue to go wrong, and we'll see what happens with this Russia thing. But This 1 year trend is ugly. Even if I put this on a smaller trend, still ugly, right? We couldn't get out of this. We're coming back down to the lows that we tried the day after earnings. So I definitely will be watching this, and you know, we'll see how this opens, because Amazon can open down 150 bucks. So most importantly, you guys need to watch, the gap that it has from 3010 to, I believe, 2885 that we were talking about. Affirm this. Yo, if you guys don't know, I don't know where you guys are if you don't follow me, but this stock reported earnings during the day by an accident. It got tweeted out, it got leaked. It was supposed to come out after, right, as you can see, but it ended up coming out during the day. It pushed off that news, right? I'm sitting at the desk, and you know, it just consolidates, and I'm like, yo, there's nothing really going on here. What's the point of me even sitting around? So you know, I leave the desk, I actually go to the gym. I see that it falls to 75 on my phone. That's not really a big deal. Comes back to 83 and then continues to fall again. So I don't know if they thought that leak was fake or whatever, and then they finally confirmed that it was real, because I wasn't at the desk, but they confirmed that it was real. This stock went from 83 to 50. So we're looking at a $33 drop within a few moments here. This is 5-minute candles. I heard it was halted too, so it probably took a little bit longer. But yeah, Affirm is a big one. Why am I looking at Affirm? The IPO, it's riding on IPO low. So yes, it did open around like this $100 level. It fell down to 46 and came to a high of 176. Now we're back at this IPO level, or low level. That's never a good sign. Investors never want to see that, because now they're actually going to be, you know, they're actually down on their investment. So now we're coming back to this 46 level. If we start breaking below 45, we're going to be seeing 40 and 30s very quickly, because nobody wants to be invested into a project like that that's going below IPO after this has tripled. It doesn't make sense for people who are bag holding here. So Affirm is something that I'm watching this week. Facebook. Yeah, so Facebook right here. Ugly little trend here that this was bounced off of. Now, if you look at this on the 4-hour, you can see we have an H going on here. We're coming back for that 216 level. Let me put this on the 1 hour. Alright, so the 1 hour, I am watching 216, this low right here. After 216, I'm watching 215. If we break 215, I have room down to 210.36. And after 210.36, I have room down to 204.52. Let's just say 205. But this could get ugly very quickly. It is very ugly already. Because even if I go on the 1 year, we're at the lows of the 1 year. And if I go on the 3 year, we're getting very close here to levels that we should not be seeing, right? So we're looking at 210. I talked about 205, and then obviously it's going to be 200 and then 197. So Facebook, I'm watching that H that we got going on, 216, 215, 210, 205, and 200. Moderna, this is a weird one because I don't really like talking about Moderna. I don't care for it. I made a lot last year from this because of these consolidations, but look at this consolidations that's going on, right? It's stuck in this range, It's not really doing much, Now, what am I watching? I will be watching, let me put this on the 4 hour so you get an idea of what the hell I'm talking about. I will be watching 138 on the downside. If we break below that, this is going to fall back to 100. If that's what I'm expecting, this will be falling back to 100. Obviously, we got to get through 117, but this can fall very quickly. Now, upside, we can still get some upside on this. I don't know if it's done or not, but if we do get some upside, it'll come after 177. But I do notice a consolidation here. I can even draw a little drawing here so you can get to understand what the hell I'm talking about. Hold up. I hate when it does that. Let me add a drawing for you guys so you can see what the hell I'm talking about. Alright, cool. So you got a little range going on here, right? It's just stuck. So if we get above 177, I'll be looking at the upside. If we get below 138, I don't think it'll happen this week, but if it does, I always want to let you know just in case. A lot of you don't follow me on Instagram or social media where I update you guys daily, and I call out some crazy plays. But NQ is another one that I'm watching. Just the overall market, I want to see what the charts are looking like. So the 1 year trend here, we are coming down. It looks like we're, coming back to test these lows. If we start breaking that 13,850 level, 830 level, we have room down to 13,361, this trend that we've already tested twice. So do not sleep on a possible sell-off. A lot of people are like, yo, we're a little too oversold. We can never be too oversold. So be on alert. Understand that futures, tech, I mean, if you follow NQ, if you don't follow NQ, you follow QQQ, same chart here. Same shit going on here. SPY doesn't look healthy at all either. So we'll see what goes on this week. I'll update you guys as much as I can on my story, on my Instagram, on my pages, on my Twitter. So make sure you follow me there. And I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you guys. Peace.